Hello everyone. In the second level, let's start with the fourth week. In the fourth week, I will show you the difficult one. Let's see the 13 number. First is 44. Make all 0. Then 4. 4 here. 4 here. 97. I have to make 9 here. Plus 10 minus 1. Now 7. Plus 7 equals plus 10 minus 3. Then 42. I have to make 4 here. Plus 5 minus 1. That is 4. And here simple 2. The answer is 183. Now let's see the another 14 number. 7070. 7070. Then minus 46 minus 4 equals minus 5 plus 1. Now to make minus 6, I have to do minus 6. What is my formula? Minus 6 equals minus 10 plus 4. Then 77. 5, 6, 7. Now I have to make 7 here. Now see this one carefully. To make plus 7, my formula is plus 10 minus 3. I can do minus 3 here, but I don't have any bead to make plus 10. So to make plus 10, first I have to do plus 100 minus 90. 100 minus 90. Then minus 3. So 101 is my answer. Now let's see any difficult one. Here 15 number, page 15. 4. Then 83. 8. Then 3 plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 32 minus 3 minus 2. Then 8. Now to make plus 8, my formula is plus 10 minus 2. But to make plus 10, how to do plus 10? Simple. Plus 10 minus 2. To make minus 2, minus 5 plus 3. So my answer is 63. Thank you.